Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to jack a Ford Focus safely. Before you begin, always ensure your vehicle is on a flat, stable surface, away from any moving traffic. Engage your parking brake firmly and place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will remain on the ground. This crucial first step prevents accidental rolling and ensures a secure working environment for everyone involved. Safety is always our top priority. Now, let's find the correct jacking points on your Ford Focus. These are specifically reinforced areas designed to support the vehicle's weight. You'll typically find them just behind the front wheels and just in front of the rear wheels, along the pinch welds or frame rails. Always refer to your Ford Focus owner's manual for precise diagrams and locations to avoid damaging your vehicle's undercarriage. Using the correct points is essential for stability. With your jack points identified, carefully position your floor jack directly beneath one of the designated points. Ensure the jack saddle makes full contact with the reinforced area. Begin to slowly raise the vehicle, watching carefully to ensure the jack remains stable and the vehicle lifts evenly. Continue lifting until the tire you need to work on is about 2 to 3 inches off the ground. Always lift smoothly and deliberately for safety. Once your Ford Focus is lifted, it's time to secure it with jack stands. Position your jack stands directly under the reinforced frame points, adjacent to your jack. Slowly lower the vehicle using the jack's release valve until it rests firmly and securely on the jack stands. Give the vehicle a gentle shake to confirm its stability before you begin any work. Always use at least 2 jack stands and never rely solely on your jack for support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.